Yeah, so hi guys. I'm taking over of Don. Ayan na, so meron pong videographer ngayon si Donabel since I'm here. Naglalakad po kami, papunta po kami ng supermarket para bumili ng ingredients para sa aking birthday party tomorrow. Birthday party. So, we're now walking here sa neighborhood nila Donna. Tingnan nyo naman, diba? Ang daming puno. Greenery dito. Mag-green. And syempre, ang dami-daming mga restaurants. Ano to? Shin-shen?
Baka bukas na yung Jollibee dito.
Olive? Oh, hindi nga. Pizza Hut. Name it, ang dami. We have Domino's Pizza here. And KFC over there. Paganda, ito meron din sila dito. Kung gusto mo naman ng therapy, meron din. Or kung gusto mo ng kakaiba, ito naman, the House of Fresh Flame Grilled Chicken. Pepes, huy, ano ba to? Pepes peri-peri.
Masarap yung chicken.
And then my life. And take note guys, meron soon to open Jollibee. On the other side naman, you will see those. Merong Tim Tams, may Shake Shack, Bell's Toaster, Ace Hardware over there. The other one is Subway and Wendy's. And this very beautiful na pink na bagong open daw na Smack Burgers and Chicken. And katabi niya syempre ang sikat na Starbucks coffee. An offer of buy one get one free. So I'll have to try this one. So pumasok kayo mami dito ngayon sa Spinneys, sa loob ng Spinneys. So this is Dubai Card Road. Dubai Card Road.
So guys, malapit na kami.
So ninadaanan na kami Spinneys, Carrefour, pero sabi ni Madam, hindi daw kami sa Union. Charot lang.
So guys, we're here in BMW. Malapit-lapit na kami sa kapag-kapag.
Masaya no? Nagubulok na. From President. Because we're gonna be tomorrow. Pwede buying from Italy. This is the Bella brand. From Italy din. Hindi ba? Actually, hindi ko alam kung ito yun. Pero wala lang. For a change. Ito na lang.